Welcome back to the Davis YouTube channel. I'm your host Corinne, and I'm excited to announce some big news for the home custom install market. jlaudio has introduced the all-new Pavilion Outdoor Speaker Series. This series features 3 flush mount coaxials that have been specifically designed for outdoor residential applications. By now, I'm sure you're aware of JL's exceptional reputation with the subwoofers in the CI industry, so the jump to outdoor speakers only makes sense. Without further ado, let's check out the new Pavilion Series from jlaudio. The tagline for these new speakers is remarkable sound, refined looks. Just one glance at these beauties and you'll realize that they are spectacularly built with the purest JL engineering. With JL's deep background in marine speakers, they became interested in bringing some of those products into the residential space, based on the performance, longevity, and quality of the existing marine product. Therefore, the Pavilion Series was created. Utilizing elements from their marine speakers, these are built to withstand nearly any weather conditions your customers experience. The Pavilion Series exceeds marine industry standards for UV and salt fog exposure. These really are true outdoor rated products. The unique difference between these and the marine speakers is a tuning adjustment to better suit residential spaces. Their sound is big and dynamic with outstanding bass to fill large outdoor spaces. Let's dive a little deeper into the lineup. First, there are 3 different sizes to complement your customers' needs: 6.5 inch, 7.7 inch, and an 8.8 inch with RMS power ratings of 60, 80, and 100 watts at 4 ohms. Although these speakers are beautiful, I'm sure many of your customers want a seamless install that practically makes them disappear. JL has designed an ultra-low profile mounting bezel and a magnetic flush mount mesh grille for a discreet visual appearance. You'll also be pleased with the included paint shield to completely match your customer's decor. All of these features make for a true vanishing appearance. JL has also designed an innovative mounting system which allows for installation in a wide range of ceiling materials. They do not feature a swing-out dogleg clamps like many other speakers on the market. Instead, these speakers use a simple mounting ring that is pressure fit and designed to go into the ceiling cutout. You then drive self-tapping screws directly into the mounting ring. This mounting system is included with every speaker. Production of all Pavilion loudspeakers takes place in jlaudio's Miramar, Florida factory, which means these speakers are made in America. A 5-year warranty is also included. These units retail for $600 each for the 6.5, $650 each for the 7.7, and $750 each for the 8.8. The Pavilion speakers from jlaudio's home division are a long-awaited addition to their amazing subwoofer selection. The JL name is very well known, and we truly believe your customers will be delighted to add them to their outdoor space. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Check It Out. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Also, give us a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. You can get to our Linktree page in the description down below. Until